you're in e-commerce, your pop-up submit rate should be at least 4.65%. But if you're watching this video, yours probably isn't even close. Now, here's the twist. We're not aiming for average, right? What? Because the top 10% of pop-ups, they convert at 19.77%. That's 5 times higher. And that's the number that I want you to focus on, because pop-ups, they're the foundation of your entire email and SMS program. The submit rate of your pop-up is directly related to how much revenue you're making from your welcome flow, because all other things equal, the more people you have joining your welcome flow, the more revenue you're going to make from it. And of course, the pop-up submit rate reflects how fast your list is growing, which affects the revenue that you're making from your email and SMS campaigns. And pop-ups still can convert like crazy, like 20%, 15% when done right. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Kasey and I run Luck & Co agency, where we help 8- and 9-figure e-commerce brands turn their email and SMS into revenue machines. And in this video, I will break down, first of all, the most common mistakes killing your pop-up conversions, and number 2, the advanced reasons that nobody is talking about. And make sure that you stick around till the end. I'll give you a step-by-step action plan to audit your current pop-ups and fix what's not working. And believe me, you don't want to miss that part. Without further ado, let's dive in. Mistake number 1, pop-ups at the wrong time. You've seen it. A pop-up smacks you in the face the second the page loads. Feels like something's shouting before you've even said hi. Yeah, that's not great. And now on the other end, pop-ups that show up too late and miss the opportunity to convert a new visitor into an email subscriber altogether. So what's the sweet spot? 5 to 15 seconds after page load. Even better, layer your triggers. Time delay plus scroll depth plus exit intent. Because here's the truth, not every visitor behaves the same. Some scroll fast, some leave quick, some browse forever. You need different triggers to catch each one. Quick tip, combine scroll percentage plus exit intent, which will equal higher conversions and better UX. Mistake number 2, same pop-up for everyone. This is very common and yet so easy to avoid. I'm on the client's website. I've bought before and I'm on their email list. And then bam, join our email list for 10% off. I'm already subscribed and I'm already a customer. This happens because most brands treat every visitor the same. New visitor, loyal repeat buyer, someone who's visited 3 times this week, same exact pop-up. It's like offering someone a menu when they're already halfway through their dessert. Here's the fix. Treat people like real humans with different needs. New visitors, they need trust and context before converting. Returning browsers need urgency or exclusivity. Subscribers, they don't need to subscribe again. And customers, they care about loyalty, not entry discounts. When we help clients segment their pop-up strategy this way, the results speak for themselves. People stop seeing pop-ups as interruptions and start seeing them as personalized experience. Now, of course, this will also be impacted by cookies. Even if we have the proper settings in the pop-up, but the customer is visiting from a new device or browser, your pop-up won't recognize them. But let's control what we can control and get our settings right for all of our live pop-ups. Mistake number 3, ignoring mobile users. On average, about 68% of your traffic will be on mobile. But most pop-up tools are still designed for desktop, and as a result, pop-ups look like this. Tiny fonts, hidden close buttons, forms that don't fit. But it's deeper than bad formatting. It's about mobile behavior. Mobile users are distracted. They're multitasking. Sometimes they're literally walking while shopping. Your pop-up has to work with that, not against that. Here's the mobile formula that works. Single column layout, large thumb-friendly buttons, maximum 12 words of text, and a close button in the top right corner. And start mobile first, then a tap for desktop, not the other way around. Mistake number 4, complicating your message. Most brands try to cram in everything into their pop-ups. A headline, multiple offers, multiple CTAs, a product photo, and a 200-word story. And then wonder why users just hit X. Your pop-up is not a brochure. It's a conversation starter. Top-performing brands do this. One clear message, one clear CTA, on-brand visuals, and only one ask per pop-up stage or step. Design matters. If your pop-up looks like it was built on a different planet than your website, it breaks trust instantly. And a pro tip, keep the color palette and fonts consistent. Make the pop-up feel like a natural part of your site and not an interruption, and you'll be surprised how many brands don't do this. Mistake number 5, showing the same pop-up over and over. Here's what brands get wrong. Most brands show the same pop-up to the same person over and over. If someone doesn't convert the first time, they blast them again the next day, and then the next, and then the next. But here's what really happens in your potential customer brain. First pop-up, interesting. Second pop-up, I saw this already. Third pop-up, this is annoying. Fourth pop-up, I'm never buying from this brand. This is the mere exposure effect, but in reverse. Repetition without variation equals instant fatigue. The fix? Smart frequency capping and progressive offers. For example, visit number 1, welcome discount. Visit number 2, if there wasn't any conversion, add social proof. Visit number 3, urgency or limited time offer. Visit number 4, exit intent only, and then after that, a 30-day cooldown. Simple, strategic, and respectful. Now, let's go deeper into some advanced mistakes. Pattern interrupts. Pop-ups can capture attention or kill it. Trigger them based on behavior. Scroll percentage, hover, or idle time. Natural moments of intent. Not random jump scares. Cultural blind spots. One size doesn't fit all. A cheeky tone might work well in the US, but come off unprofessional elsewhere. Colors, formality, and even how you ask for an email, all of that matters. Localize like you mean it. Not just the language, but the offer, the currency, and presentation. Accessibility issues. Can people with screen readers interact with your pop-up? Can they close it with a keyboard? Does the contrast work for people with visual impairments? If not, you're excluding customers, and that's costing you real money. Performance matters. Pop-ups should convert, not slow down your website. Heavy scripts and unoptimized images equals longer load time, equals higher bounce rate, equals no conversions. So keep it light, compress your images, and clean up your code. And please test the pop-up speed on mobile and desktop separately. A beautiful pop-up no one sees is useless. How to fix your pop-up strategy. Here's your action plan based on everything we've covered. Step number 1, audit your current performance. Look at your pop-up analytics and identify which pop-ups are converting above or below 4.65%. Are mobile and desktop performing equally well? Are you targeting different segments or everyone the same? Step number 2, implement smart timing. Stop showing pop-ups immediately on page load. Instead, use the 5 to 15 second window for time-based triggers, and you can A/B test which time window exactly works best for you. Combine exit intent with scroll percentage triggers, and test behavioral triggers like scroll pauses or mouse movement. Step number 3, segment your audience. Create different pop-up experiences for first-time visitors versus returning visitors, email subscribers versus non-subscribers, or email subscribers but not SMS subscribers, different traffic sources and geographical locations, and users viewing specific page types. Step number 4, optimize for mobile first. Design your pop-ups for mobile screens first and then adapt them for desktop. Ensure that those pop-ups are single column and have vertical layouts, that they have large thumb-friendly touch targets, clear, visible close buttons, and fast loading times. Step number 5, reduce cognitive load. Focus on one clear message per pop-up, use single prominent calls to action, match your website's visual design, and avoid overwhelming users with too many choices and too many things to do. Step number 6, implement frequency controls. Set up proper frequency capping across sessions, don't show the same pop-up repeatedly, and consider total message exposure across all of your marketing channels. The biggest takeaway here is this: stop thinking about pop-ups as interruptions and start thinking about them as moments of value in your customer's journey. When you combine smart timing, targeting, design, and psychology, magic happens. Let me know in the comments which mistake were you making and what are you going to do to fix it. And if you want more strategies like this for turning your email marketing into a revenue machine, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you in the next video.